We start off with one of the most anticipated documents of China's political season, the Government Work Report. We're going to break down the highlights for you, starting with the economy. China's GDP growth target has been set now at around 5% for this year. The country also aims to create 12 million urban jobs and a special emphasis on innovation-driven development. In addition, China's factory performance is now the best in 11 years since the COVID restrictions have been lifted. We spoke with Brazilian economist Otaviano Canuto. He's a senior fellow at the Policy Center for the New South and former VP of the World Bank. He says China's recovery from the pandemic will have a big impact on Latin America.
The fact is that given the dependence of exports from South America, particularly to China, the recovery of growth in China will impact positively the producers of, as the report mentioned, not only iron ore, but also soybeans and so on. But it's important to keep in sight that the pattern of growth in China is also changing a bit, in the sense that, the continuity of the rebalancing of the Chinese economy will lead it to work more on more value-added segments of value chains. So qualitatively, there will be a higher demand for critical minerals, for instance, and as time passes by, less so for things like oil or even iron ore. And the pattern of investments by China in the region has also been changing over time. Instead of the old packages of large amounts of money to state-owned companies to secure the supply of things like oil and coal or more than coal, copper and so on. Now we have seen this interest by Chinese investors into service.